Alrighty, so here is my name with my picture and our class and section number. Here is our biography assignment. Here's my name tent and my inspiration map. My Symbaloo is right here. My Digo, my publisher with my brochure about my trip to Tahiti. My Canva is right next to it. And then my Google Slides about LSU are right here. And then my keynote presentation, the All About Me, is right there. Then I have the blogger and movie that we just made. And then our Google websites, my Facebook page, the final presentation that I just did about how to kill a deer, which is right there, and then my Padlet. Then I have my screencast-o-matic and my final thoughts. So basically, my final thoughts were how this ERLC class has taught me so many new things that I had never known before taking the class. All these tools that I have used, I'll be able to use them in my future. And it will allow me to do more things than I would have been able to do before taking this class. I hope to graduate in August of 2020, and my future plans is if everything goes planned, I would like to pursue my football career in the NFL, and if that does not work out, then I want to work in the construction management field. I have a few companies in mind here in Baton Rouge, but we'll just see how everything plays out. I've enjoyed your class, Miss Debbie, and I hope to stay in touch with you throughout this journey. Thanks for everything.